When you do want to start a new drawing and you started AutoCAD and it looks like this, all you have to do is click in start a new drawing here and you're now back into the dashboard and you can start drawings over here. So I encourage you to start or work with AutoCAD, the desktop version and not the AutoCAD web version. So you can type the commands or you can try to remember where these buttons are. So here's how to draw a line, right? And how to draw a circle. Press escape to start on a new object. Okay. How to make a rectangle is over here. How to do a array. So if you have um, a small, let's say, rectangle here, and then you wanted to array, then same thing. You will just simply type array, and then you will select object you want to array, press enter, and you want a polar array. So here's your polar option, and then you want to specify the center. So make sure that you point to the circle. It should find the center for you. So point to the circle and make sure your OSNAP is on. And you might not find the word OSNAP here, but your OSNAP is one of these buttons over here. So I think, um, let's see, I believe, see, this is the OSNAP button over here. And you can see center is on, so that's this button over here. You can just hover over it. It'll tell you what is it. It's that what's that button is for. So point to the center, click on it, and then you see that it's gonna array for you. And you can change the number of items over here, or rotate items, fill items, base point, number of items here. So if you want to increase that, you click this one, and then you type in more items, and to put more of that one. Then you can close the array by clicking the checkbox on top here. So that's what you need to do. Now, if you're done with your drawing, you want to save this. You do go to the letter A here, and then you will see save as. And then what I encourage you to do is pull this down and make sure that it says documents. Okay, documents over here. So click on documents and then type in the name of your drawing. So simply type in whatever name it's supposed to be. So in this case, I'm just going to put sample. And I'm going to click save. So now this one did not save on your Google Drive. It saved on the documents. So what you need to do on your search bar on the Windows computer, you will have to type your Chrome and then click open, and it should open Chrome for you. And what you need to do is after you've logged in, is open up your Google Drive. All right, so once you have logged into your Google Drive, um, all you're going to do is go to your engineering folder, okay, engineering folder, and then open up your file folder. So you have to open up this folder over here, and then go to documents, and then you should see your sample drawing. Okay, so while your Chrome is open on the side, you should open up your file explorer here, and all you have to simply do is simply drag it to your engineering folder, and it should upload your drawing to your engineering folder. So tomorrow, if you wanted to work on it, all you have to do is right click and then download, and then pick a download folder. So it should be placed in the download folder. So the download folder is this one here. Okay, and then you can open that and then drag that back to your drive on the internet once you're done before the class is over.